Okay, so here we have this one. This other bird here is overlapping, so which is kind of nice. So we can show a little bit of depth in our work, and it's going to be looking kind of like similar area, but a little bit different angle. And we're going to have the head here. There we go, those feathers. They come from here and they go here, like that. And you have the neck, and from here they go straight to the wing, like that. Straight to the wing, tails. They're about in the same, plane, so these are not going to vary that much, but we might see a little bit more of it underneath here. And of course, these are going to have their own reflection here. Since I'm there in the water, we're going to show maybe just a few waves like this. Just doesn't have to be anything too much. And okay, so this is a good place to stop. See if we like the sketching that we have so far, if it's working for us. So far I think it's okay. Maybe I should have had this bird a little bit more this way, but for the sake of the composition, since it's just do this for a demo, I'm just going to keep it there. Something for you to keep in mind, you see. I should have moved this a little bit farther, but I think it's going to be okay. Okay, so now we go on and start redefining more and adding tone to the paper. For the tone, instead of just using the soft or the hard charcoal, I'm just going to use I believe this is the soft. So what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to put the soft charcoal. I'm just going to add lines, and all of this is going to be vertical. Why? Because it's water. Light. Okay, so far it's going my eyes, and yeah, it's looking good. So I go to step 3. Now we're going to start adding tone to these beautiful birds. And here, kind of like think about, okay, so this part of the wings that I'm doing here, this part of the tail here, underneath I'm going to see very little. I just see some lines here for the legs. And same thing here is going to be like this. This is kind of like the neck that curves there and comes to about here like that. From here we have the line here for the dark feathers, like this. And of course we are going to have the beak coming out here in the corner, sort of like that. That's about the only thing you have to do, just to make them look like them. Leave a little bit of space here for the beak, and this almost meets the beak, so the dark part. There. So that's one bird we have done, and we can go and start. And we proceed with the same here. one has a wing, and you can see it there a little bit better. This part here, you want to go light here, not too dark, because this kind of like, even though it's well defined, but tend to start blending, you know, with the neck area. So you don't want to make this one too hard. There, and we have the tail, part of the wing. Wing, or this is overlaps and they almost blend together. You see how nice that is. So I'm just pretty much going to do the same thing. I just want to go all over like this. The other side of the wing, and we have the tail that I ran out of room there because I was too lazy to move that line. The neck, and just like this one, just try to leave a little bit of a gap there because that's how they are, so you can have the line here for the dark feathers. And the beak. So now, when I look at my sketch, and I'm looking at my sketch here, I see I still have to get the beaks darker. The main thing is just to leave the white areas, you know, untouched. The rest of the stuff, you just wanna. And of course we're going to have their shadows are going to go across, so that's also going to help create the illusion of distance and depth and all of that good stuff. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, well, I should make this a little bit darker because it should be darker than the neck and should be darker than the water. Okay, so I'm just very light here, and just take your time. If you enjoy sketching, sometimes I move too fast because I'm making a video, but in reality I don't like to sketch too fast. I don't like to sketch too slow either. But too fast is I don't know. I don't have the need for that. I enjoy too much the sketching process to skip this and deprive myself of doing this. That's why I'm doing this, because I love to sketch. So I just love to take my time doing this stuff. stamp this one, and I'm going to go over again light over the hair just to get rid of some of the white of the paper. That's the main reason I'm doing this. And at the same time you embed the charcoal into the paper, makes it more stable. It's not going to smear easy. Same thing here. Eraser, I'm just going to overlay the light gray area of the neck. I'm just going to go over with the kneaded eraser. You see how crisp. So I'm squinting my eyes one more time, see how things are going, and as far as just trying to check the values, and it's looking good. What I'm going to do now with the kneaded eraser, I'm going to go back and start defining some of these white parts of the water. Here and there, I just do a few lines, just kind of like, just to say this water is moving, it's not still.